Hi, folks. Dr. Bob. I wanted to give you a quick update on our product, Root Restore. It has, it's been it's a hair product that grows hair back on your head. It takes care of really the top of your head more than any other part of the body, meaning it's baldness on top, baldness around the back of your head. You won't get hairy all over your body the way this is designed. So it's pretty exciting that something like this would actually exist. First of all, it's 2 capsules. So it's not one of these, shampoos or creams or oils that you put into your hair or anything. It's 2 capsules a day, every day, for about the first 3 months. If you can keep going with it, I don't know how bald you are. But I've gotten some pretty good. We've had this out on the market now a little over almost 2 months. And so people started buying it right away. But I wanted to give you the feedback. I've been asking people send me the photos of their head before and after. We're working on that one. People have, not been so forthcoming with before pictures, but I'm getting them. They're going to come in, but it's all natural. That's the nice thing about it. And that's one of the reasons I went with it. I wouldn't do anything with a chemical or a chemical shampoo or any of this kind of stuff. There's 100 different types of hair products that are out on the market for, getting your hair back. And by the way, I did have a big question. Does this work with women? Yes, yes, it is. Women have a lot of, especially in the front, a lot of missing hair. And it's very common with them to kind of this receding hairline. And some of them, a lot of them, are not too happy with it. So, will this work with this? And the answer is yes. It's most of the people that have bought it from me so far, to my understanding, are men. And the response to it has been amazing. We've called them up. We've emailed them. Would you give us some results on it? So after 30 days, I had a guy that came in, and or I think he bought online. And he comes in and he goes, "This is absolutely amazing. I can't believe, the hair is actually coming back out of my head." And we called this product Root Restore because that's what it does. It gets at the hair follicle, and that's where it's performing its magic, and that's why it's so effective. And to my understanding, that it's still there, the root, and you've lost your hair, but the root is still there. And if you can restore it, you'll get your hair back and it'll start growing. And I've seen some pictures that were pretty amazing. They didn't come from my customers, but from the manufacturer's customers. So I'm like, really? You sure this works that well? And they stood behind it 100%. And I've known them for a long time. So what's in this? Product. So it's all natural. Spermidine extract. That comes from algae, and it's an extract. So we're taking out this thing called spermidine. We're concentrating it. And so that's the main ingredient, and that's what's doing most of the work. But you've got swallow root extract. Chinese. One of the things about this, it's a Chinese herb, baishu root, and there's different types of these types of roots from China that sound very similar, but this is baishu root, and it's swallowwort in English, but that is the second biggest ingredient in there. You've got black sesame extract. So once again, they take that, they extract this oil from it, and they've got that in there. And then they've got banana extract, and I was kind of surprised to hear that, but banana is pretty well known for working with, having nice hair, and then making it feel really good, but restoration to some degree. So that was interesting. They put that in there. And then chlorella growth factor, which is concentrated chlorella. So this is OD 5000. OD 5000 means it's very, very concentrated. OD stands for optical density. And so you really have got something that's, highly, highly concentrated and going in there. Now that's got there's many, many ingredients in CGF or chlorella growth factor or chlorella extract. But the main ingredient, which is or main nutrient, I should say, really, that's so important for your body. I tell people to take it all the time so that you kind of they're the blueprints of our cell. So if you're going to go, your cell's going to reproduce in the body, then you want to have the blueprints of that cell right there. So when the cell goes to replicate, they'll know what to do. They got to have the blueprints, and that's RNA and DNA, and so that's what's in Chlorella growth factor more than anything else is what we call nucleic acids or RNA and DNA. So no mistake that's in this formula. That's better than anything else. But I mean, the results to me, I don't have any hair loss problems, but it's pretty amazing to see this hair coming back. And you're taking 2 capsules a day. People say, can you take 4? I don't know why you can't take 4 a day. You could maybe. They're anxious to get their hair back. But it's only recommended 2 per day, every day for 3 months. That'll get you going. You might need to do it as long as 6 months, maybe even a year, to get all that hair back. And again, it depends on how long you've been, how long have you been with hair loss, how long have you been bald or whatever. And that's going to make all the difference as to how much you've got to do up there and how difficult it's going to be for the root to, really start to grow back. And that's, again, Root Restore is why we named it that, because it's really getting at the root. And if you look at so many of these other products, the shampoos, the oils that you put in your head, they're really not trying to, they're kind of stimulating the root a little bit, but they're trying to get the hair that's there to come back. And it's a totally different approach than what we got here. So completely natural, and you're taking a couple capsules a day. And I've seen some amazing results. Here's the one that the producer that sent me of their test subject, and I was pretty shocked by it. It's really amazing how much this person's hair has grown back up on top. So at any rate, we've been selling a lot of this. It's been pretty good. I think people are happy with it. But I wanted to explain to you what it's doing and how it's a natural product. And it's spermidine, swallowwort, black sesame extract, banana extract, and CGF, Chlorella growth factor, OD 5000. And that's all that's in there. There's nothing else. So you're not putting a bunch of other crap in there or anything. That's the entire product. So if you do end up trying it, please let me know what your results are. I've handed it out to some test subjects myself and say, hey, can you let me know if they're bald or they've got the balding on top? And they're like, yeah, I'll let you know. So they're out there for testing. I don't want to get just 2 or 3 weeks. I want to go at least, I want to see 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, and then we know for sure, yeah, this has really gotten something. We really have something here. So Root Restore from the Watershed and drbobmccauley.com. I hope you get up there, check it out. And if you do, let me know what your results are. And Dr. Bob, I'll see you next time.